The goal for today is I'm meeting up with Eiji, who's a climber from Japan. I think this is his first time in Joe, so we're just going to try and show him around, hopefully get on some classics and just have a fun day.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Ooh. Come on. Yes. Yeah. Oh, so close. Come on. Strong. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Finish it. Yes. Yeah. Take your time. Yeah.
Hell yeah. Woo!
Makes it look so easy.
I know, Mike.
Thank God that was kind of a hold. All right, we're in business now. Yes. Yes. Either way. Fantastic.
Oh yeah. I'll come out of retirement. My whole profile is like short person. Short person.
Yes. Come on. Yes. Hell yeah. Nice. Dude, good job. Oh, that's like the worst kind of split.
Nice.
Nice. Keep trending up and left, I believe. Okay, I think you can go either way.
Oops, I got my cap on.
Yeah, it's a little cold. Check that out. This is us right now in the snowstorm. climb right now. This is actually kind of crazy. I don't think it's ever snowed this much in Joe's while I've been here, but we'll see if it's actually climbable tomorrow.
Snowman. Polar bear.
That only works
Coffee time. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, the ground is for sure frozen.
Yeah.
How'd you sleep, Eiji?
Very good.
Very good.
So pretty warm.
Pretty warm?
Yeah, that.
10 degree
Yeah.
and -9.
It was really cool to climb with Eiji and meet some of his friends and just explore Joe's and kind of, I feel like I re-experienced it for not like a first time again, but just kind of almost like I forgot how much I enjoy being down in Joe's and how beautiful the landscape is. And this trip really like refreshed my soul in a way, and that's exciting. But now I'm trying to get home, and you can see that the road conditions are just not ideal. Yeah, hopefully I actually make it home safe. That's kind of my goal right now.